Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel startuplanes.com. I am More Tanvi, and as you know, these are the series of interviews that we are conducting for the promotion of some excellent startups across our country. Now the question is that why you should watch this interview. You should watch this interview if you are a job seeker. You should watch this interview if you want to invest. You should watch this interview if you want to know the merits and demerits of starting a fresh business. Now let's know some wonderful experiences from various CEOs and founders. Think11 is an Indian fantasy sports platform that allows users to play fantasy cricket and football. Think11 was founded by Aman Kumar Singh in 2020, who is with us for the interview today. Think11 is one of the amazing fantasy sports platform. This unique fantasy app allows cricketing fans to test one's cricket knowledge, insights and know-how. It is skill-based platform where you can earn money when you play. This app takes your passion for the sports to one step higher and involve you in an amazing fantasy cricket experience just on your mobile phone. Their focus is to create games that are user-friendly, more rewarding and filled with fun elements. Hence, you will find Think11 is available at its finest. This is the reason why in just short period, the app enjoys this immense popularity and has become one of the fastest growing fantasy cricket app platforms. So let's know more about this wonderful startup from Aman and Robert. Hello, good afternoon sir. My name is More Tanvi from Startup Lanes and we are very grateful to have you on the board for this interview.
Good to be here.
Yeah. Sir, I will please request you both to introduce yourself turn by turn.
My name is Robert Abbey.
Myself, Aman Singh, CEO and founder Think11 OPC Private Limited, and we started our company on 27th Feb 2020.
Okay. So my very first question to you is that how did you come up with this idea of startup?
In 2016 or 17, I just play for fantasy sports, and at the time, 50% loss and 50% profit. At the same time, I just think, and also I'm interested in the tech field, so I just at the same time just think for this and decided the name Think11 and started the research at the age of 15.
Okay.
Whenever I just become the age of 18, I just started the company. Also, I met Robert, we funded, so we started.
That's great. So I want to ask that can you recall what was the most difficult part in the early stage of the journey?
In the early stage, the main part we found its developers and the best promoters. In the beginning of anything or any company is fully based on user base, and in the beginning whenever we started and after we looking for the promotion, we tried lots of YouTubers. I can't use their names, but they are, I can say, they just cheat everybody. I'm not only a guy who cheated by himself, but lots of people get cheated in this field because lot of search on YouTube like any fantasy sports related YouTubers. I'm not saying about any small YouTubers. It's a big YouTuber. They use their email address, and whenever we contact and go further and the deal will finalized, after they change their identity on their platform like YouTube about section, and you just send in the money, everything you get just lost. You don't have anything. In the beginning, maximum company face this issue. Like we are the Think11. I also know Rockstar 11 that is closed now, maybe 1 year ago, and Fantasy Power 11, like these also get same thing. So in the beginning, first thing to find a proper influencer or proper promoter is very hard.
Okay. So sir, as you took 2-3 names of your competitors that have been closed right now, so I want to ask that before commencement, what was the market gap that you identified?
In the beginning, whenever I am just playing the fantasy sports, and if I face any issues on this platform, then I have to send the email and wait for the response. And one more thing, lots of people who are playing fantasy sports, they don't know about how they mail and they contact the company. At the same time, I decided to I will launch this, and I will make it very easy to contact a user with the company. And this is the main gap. Currently, every platform using the same thing, like point system and everything is set. Just there is a problem that is the communication between user and the company, and we focused on the users.
Okay. So, sir, after developing like so many apps in India, people are still not known to fantasy sports and esports. So, I want you to describe and tell us your business model in detail.
Okay. Fantasy sports, it's not a gambling because our government is allowing this. But you can say it's if there is any luck, then it is gambling. So our model is based on that. But yeah, you have to select your 11 players and all the details. I'm just explaining. From the beginning, you have to sign up in any fantasy sports. What I'm saying to be join on Think 11. But if you sign up for any fantasy sports, first you have to be select your own players. Like from the both teams, you have to select 11 players as your team. And for making both players, you have to maximum select 7 from one team, and it also depends or vary in other fantasy sports. Like we have 7 players maximum you can select from a single team, but in other platform maybe it's vary. So you have to select, make a combination and make your own team, and it is totally decided by the performance of the player. So there is, you can say, from the past report and past playing performance, you have to make your own team and select captain and vice captain, and captain will earn the 2x point and vice captain will earn 1.5x points, and after calculating your all points, you will be shown in the leaderboard. If you rank, then you will get the prize board.
Okay. So, sir, earlier answering my earlier question, you have already mentioned the service which you provide, but still I want you to specify the products and services you provide to your customers.
Production services, ma'am, basically we are just focusing to make our user more reliable to us, like making them family based. Our first approach to make user not as they are playing with the company. They feel like the Think 11 is their own company, and just being focused about that. And every people, currently we are down, and we will come back on 15th of October. But in the beginning, the base user we had just acquired, all are waiting for that. Every day we got messages from them that sir, please come it very soon. We are waiting for it, and like that. So from the beginning, we just focus our user to make them a comfortable service. Like if they face any type of issues, they can directly contact. Even I am the director of our company, but user can directly call me for any issues. And one of any of my employees, like on Telegram, we have 3 employees. They just provide technical and functional help to the user. So if anyone misbehave or anything, do anything, directly they can come tell me. And everyone knows my details, like calling number and everything. So just between our user and company, there is no any gap, so you can contact. And this is from the beginning, I focused on this.
Okay. So the next thing I want to know that you mentioned earlier about gambling, and also it's a sports. So I want to know that who exactly your target customers are.
Ma'am, according to me, my target customer is basically a student with age between 18 to.
Okay, great. So the next thing I want. Yeah, sorry, continue.
Because they just need money, and it's based on gambling, so it's you have to invest a short amount and you will earn there is chances to earn a lot of amount. Like if you are joining 50 rupees contest, then you maybe win more than 1 lakh. So the main it's you can say it's our main user students.
Okay. Sir, as per my knowledge, you already have an established market out there, and you also have your competitors in the market. So I want to know that as a customer, why one should choose your products and services over your competitors?
Yeah, and I think I just answered 2 times, but again I'm repeating. From the beginning, From the beginning, our main focus to be make user as comfortable with us,
Mm-hmm.
and there is no any gaps between company and the users and the company employees. If you play a single time think level, then you will realize that there is no any gaps. We all are equal. You either you have any concern, if you face any issue, and if you have anything that you may think that think level may proceed this, then you can call us or you can text us, you can email us, and we will just implement it very soon.
Okay, okay, that's a really great thing. Till now we have talked about your customers, we have talked about your products and services. Now I want to know that if there is someone out there and seeking job, so why he or she should work with you? Why he or she should choose to work with you?
For this, ma'am, maybe they choose us because firstly, there is a rule. If you try thinking to join us, first you have to be willing to help the user, but you have to do your job. You have to love your job, and you have to just you have potential, and you just figure out that you will help our users. That's it. There is no any problem with our founders. We are not complaining about any employees. Just you have, if our user is happy, we have no any concern.
Okay.
How you're working, there is no that we will guide anyone. You have to work like that. You will have fully freedom, but our user will have that.
Okay. My next question is very interesting, and this question is for both of you. I want to ask that if not this company or if not this job, what you're doing right now, what else you would be doing right now?
For me, maybe I am at a time a YouTuber, I think.
Okay.
Because I haven't think that at the time I haven't started. Still, I am using. I have 3 YouTube channels.
Okay. Okay, great.
Continue.
Robert,
For
sir,
me,
what about you?
for me, I'm an entrepreneur by heart. It would be probably more than likely in real estate.
Okay. So my next question is that what are the products and services you are in daily touch with to run your business smoothly?
It's not to run our business. We need developers.
Of course.
So they can maintain the. It's a online based company. You have to use the application. So we just need developers so they can maintain everything. User will never face any type of issues. They will reliable and everything's fine. Just we need developers.
So on what parameters do you select your vendors and suppliers? Is it price, is it quality or convenience? Please elaborate.
Ma'am, our parameters is to be maintain the comfort level of the user. And how you are working, same thing I'm repeating that how you are working does not matter. Our user feel comfort, then we have no any concern from the beginning and still now.
Okay. My next question to you is that what are your recent and long-term plans for your business?
My recent plan, currently we are down. Maybe our server did hack, so we are just working on it. And on 15th of October, we will come back again. So for the beginning, we just started for the cricket, and in future, maybe we will go with some other activities too, like cricket, kabaddi, football, and other platform too.
Okay. So are you planning to raise external funds? And if not, then are you planning to do so in near future?
Ma'am, currently we are not thinking to raise external funds because this company is for myself. It's a personal reason. It's open for the personal reason. So I'm not in future. I can't say I will never take rise fund, but according to me, no, I will never rise fund. But even no one can know the future, so maybe.
Fair enough. The next thing I would love to hear is the feedback for Startup Lane, and also if you want to thank someone from your team or friends and family, you can do so.
Okay. For the Startup Lane, ma'am, it's you are doing a great job because, ma'am, I can say whenever I am in thinking or planning to launch Think 11. I don't know how to register a company and anything, how a founder think, how a founder decide. But through Startup Lane, users will know how a founder think, what they think, why they start. They will learn lots of things. And in India, there is a basic mentality. You can say that no one will try to start a business. Everyone just think to get a government job or any type of job, they are settled in the comfort zone. That's it. In business, you never feel that you are in comfort zone, and that's why people are not planning to do a business. And maybe the mentality of the user and the people is to be settled and comfort zone is enough. But Startup Line is trying to do something changes in their mindset. And lots of new startup will start through Startup Line, I know. And to thank someone, there is 5 people, 6 people. First, mom and dad. And from the beginning to till now, they gives me fully freedom. What I will try to start or I want to do, there is no any reason. You can go further. I can't imagine in standard 10th, I got second rank, 56%.
Okay.
In my board exam. So after that, they gives me full freedom. What you want, you can do. There is no any restriction. And after that, I can go with a thank you for the robot who helps me to start my business. And there are 3 people more. One is my princess and 2 Tanvi and Kushbudi. Whenever I feel or found replaced or anything, always they support and help me. And till now, what I am because of them.
Great. Robert sir, if you wanna, if I ask you to give a short piece of advice to our viewers, then please go ahead.
So what I can tell you is this, and I know Ammon for quite a long time now. He and I had some other business ventures together. I can tell you this, that any of the viewers, any of the people that join in can be assured 100% that Ammon is the most trustworthy person there is. I hold him in high regards as far as his integrity, his honesty, and he is constantly helping and trying to improve the system. His skills, I mean, I've dealt with a lot of people throughout the world myself as well. And his skill set when it comes to satisfying or getting to help the customer is second to none. So that's all I can say. I could just tell you that when you're dealing with the Think 11 program, you can rest assured 100% that it's one of the best companies out there.
Great. Thank you so much, sir. I hope many out there will receive your advice, and it is surely very fruitful. Also, thank you, Aman sir, for your time and crucial words. Thank you so much, both of you.
Thank you.
Yes.